Hi guys, welcome to my channel Craft Maniac.
Since the festivals are here, we are going to make the toran. Let's get started and let's see what all things we require. We require some green paper. Then we require some streamers. I took here yellow and orange. I also took green streamer. We'll also need some needle and we'll also need some thread. I have also taken here some Christmas decor pieces. We'll also require some of the basic supplies, a punch, scissor, ruler, a pencil and a paper cutter. So let's get started with the craft. So now to make the toran, first we have to make the marigold flowers. So what we do is we take the needle with the thread and we start with the streamer. Now we are going to start exactly at the center of the streamer and we are going to keep on folding it and passing our needle through it. Now once we have reached to a certain point, I am going to pull my streamer and then finish with the remaining streamer. Okay. Now what I am going to do is I am going to pull my streamer as close as possible. Just be careful and do this very slowly. Now once you have your streamers, we are going to twist the streamer like this. We are going to just twist it. Okay. Now once you have twisted it, we are going to pull it together as close as possible. Now once you have the streamers pulled together, what we are going to do is we are going to take both sides of the thread and we are going to tie a knot. So let's go ahead and tie the knot. Just be careful because the streamers are very delicate. Just see to it that you are not pulling it too hard. So what I do is I just try to open the streamer. Now what we are going to do is we are going to secure this with one more knot and we are going to cut the thread. Now we have our marigold flower. Now what we have to do is we have to go ahead and make the stem of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the green streamer over here and I'm going to make some cuts on the one side of the streamer. So I cut a little piece of it. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a stick and roll this. If you have seen, the marigold flower has a little bit thick of the, it's thick at the bottom. So we are rolling this stem. We are rolling this stem and I'm going to finish it here. Now I'm going to pull out the stem. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fix it on the flower. Not to fix it on the flower, I'm just going to open it little bit of it. The parts of the stem, I'm going to go ahead and open them. Now what we are going to do is we are going to pass it through the center of this marigold flower. Now once I have done that, what I am going to do is I am going to secure it with some glue. I am going to also apply some glue at the bottom. Whatever the extra thread was there, you can just go ahead and cut it. Now here is our marigold flower ready in yellow color. Let's go ahead and make one in orange. So now our orange and yellow marigold flowers are ready. So I went ahead and I made more of it. For making second part of the toran, what we need is, we need some green paper and we are going to fold it into two. As you can see on the paper, what I have done is, I have I've put a line each at 5 centimeters and I have marked the center of 2.5 and I've drawn a line. Now I'll show you how to draw the mango leaves. What we have to do is, we have to draw a stem, a big stem little bit, so that we can put it on the toran. And then we are going to go ahead and we are going to draw a semicircle. So this side we go and we draw a semicircle. Okay, let me go ahead and make one here also. So okay, the leaves are not of the same type. Now if you see, our mango leaves are ready. So what we do is, we go ahead and we cut this. So let's go ahead and cut it. So as we had folded the paper into two, we are going to get two leaves at one time. See to it that we are not cutting at the center. We are just cutting, we have just folded it and we are cutting the shape of the leaf. Now once you have shape of a leaf, what we do is, we go ahead and we cut them and we try to fold it in the center. So once I have fold it in center, I'm going to create the other lines. Now to create the other lines, what we do is, we try and fold it here, one fold, and then at the another point second fold, then at the third point one fold, and then at the last point. So now if you open it, your leaf should look like this. Now to add the little bit shading to it, what we do is, we take our pencil and we So what we do is, we try and create that shading. So again I will show you what we do. We go ahead and we put a fold into the center of the leaf. Once that is done, fold, and then at the bottom you go and fold it one, a cross fold one, then at the certain again the cross fold, again at certain distance third cross fold, and then at the fourth one is fourth cross fold. So when you open it, it's gonna look like this. So if you see, our leaves are ready. So let's get started with the toran. We needed the needle and the thread, and I put a knot here, and then I take a bell over here. Now either you can put a bell or either you can use the other ornament, this one, either of the ornament. So right here we are going to use the bell. So what you go ahead and you tie the thread to the bell. And go ahead and secure it with the glue. Now once you have your bell in place, what we are going to do is we are going to go ahead and keep on adding the marigold flowers. Let's go ahead and add all the marigold flowers. Now when you are adding a marigold flower, there are 2-3 ways to add it. Either you can add this straight or you can do them the crossways. Here I am adding them straight. So let me go ahead and add one by one the marigold flower. Okay. Now if you see, we have our bell and we have our marigold flowers ready. So we are going to add one more to it. Yes, we should keep only 3. Okay. So now if you see, the one side of the toran is ready. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to cut this and put a thread to secure it. We are going to put a knot and we are going to secure this one side of the toran. I am also putting here glue, if you see me putting, so that our one side of the toran is done. Now I take the second, I go ahead and I cut the toran. Now that we are done the one side of the toran, let's go ahead and do the second side of the toran. Again we do the same thing. We go ahead and we pass on the thread through the bell. We come here and we tie a knot over here. And we secure it with the glue. Now let's go ahead and make the same pattern on the other side. So here first we need a yellow, then we need one orange, one yellow, one orange, and one more yellow. Now just before tying the knot, just see to it that they are of the same size. Then I put some glue and I let it sit for some time. Once I have taken the measurement of the door, now I am going to start with the toran. Now for starting toran, what we are doing is we need the leaf. Now when we need the leaf, we have to put it in such a way that when you put it, the part which is folded should come here at the front. So what we do is we go ahead and we put the so now once you see that your leaf is secured, just keep some space, a little space over here, and then try to secure this with the glue. Once that is done, what we do is we are going to go ahead and start with orange. Now if you had seen in this ones, I put them the stem side. Now here we are going to use it the cross side. Now, once that is done, what we do is, if you remember, we had left a certain part of the thread at the both sides. If you want, you can go ahead and put this as it is. So what I do is, I go ahead and I tie the two ends that I had done together. Here it is guys, our toran is ready. So let me go ahead and show you how it looks.